volume mousse, holding spray, Tony and Guy tone. Guys, I like it so much. It's very hot. This is where I change my temperature, guys. This tongue is very hot. If you don't have, try it out, guys. You won't be disappointed. You will fall in love with it. So yeah, and then here I'm having this tongue with the pot. I like it so much, guys. It made me achieve the hairstyle that I wanted, guys. Just take a look. See how my client was looking. Very beautiful. It's a wig, guys. It's a wig. See how beautiful it is. So yeah, I'm going to show you how I achieved that hairstyle, how I styled that wig. So yeah, guys, let's get to the video. This is your girl Zama. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another video, guys. I hope you stay. I hope you like and enjoy my video. For all those who are new to my YouTube channel, I welcome you guys. Feel free at home. I hope you stay, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my video, to my channel. And to all those who are returning subscribers, my day ones, guys, I'm so grateful. I'm happy to have you. I'm so happy for your support, for showing your girls some love. Oh, guys, it really means a lot to me. So yeah, let's get to the video, guys. Even though I was not around for a while, but I promise I'm back with so many things to share with you. So yeah, let's get to the video and see what I did to this wig. Yeah, so that you see how I styled this wig. So on this wig, I'm going to use those equipments that I showed you. The mousse, I'm going to use that mousse. The brand is Tresem, and then I'm going to use that RIL holding spray, and then that Tony and Guy tongue, and then that tongue with the pot. Those things are the ones that I'm going to use here. So as you can see here, I'm applying my mousse, guys. So before I started styling it with my tongue, I applied my mousse so that it will dry up. Please don't use it while it is wet. You must wait until it's dry, so that when you're styling your wig or your customer, it will come out nicely. So yeah, I was applying my mousse, and then my hair was dry. Then I started tonguing it, then I was styling it. Here I was using that small tongue, that's why you see even my curls are small. So I was using the small tongue, and then the Tony and Guy tongue, I used it on top. Guys, you see, as you are watching this video, you see what I'm talking about, so that you understand what I mean. When pansy lana here, I use the small one, then on top I use the Tony and Guy. So guys, let me not talk too much. Let me just leave you and watch and enjoy my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my video. If you've got any questions, please guys, ask me anything. If you've got any comment, you want to say something nice to me, you want to say something nice, just say something in the comment section, guys, to make me happy. So yeah, let's get to the video. I hope you like it, guys.